Guys, I love you. Let's get to this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
Hello, welcome back to Bell Bega channel, and today I'm going to be showing how to do a project of K-pop. Not showing, but just showing you like what I'm going to do, basically in React Native. So right here we just do command prompt. We just do quickly and just see how it works. So right now we're going to create a folder. So right here, this is my folder that is all my projects with React Native. So I like it to organize right here my code. So right here, I'm just going to write expo and just write K-pop. Then it's created. So right here, I'm going to do is just click the first one, which is right here. You see that is highlight in blue light. So we can just click the first thing that it appear. Just click it, enter. But you cannot. Let me just do an example. Down arrow. So I click down. So do not click none of this. This too. Because I would recommend to click this one, the empty and clean canvas, which allow us to implement our code. And basically, it will give us like what we need and those type of things. So right now it's installing, and then so right here is installing right now, and just wait until it install. So it would take a couple of minutes. Okay, wow, it finished. After we do this, we just do command prompt, just do cd, which is go us to the K-pop one, and just like write code. So it will show us the code. Basically, it will show us like this. Then we go expo start. After I like to do first thing after I start my project, I like to just basically design or something, or design some application, just like the wallpaper and certain things. That's what I do most at the beginning. I just like focus on designing as well, coding at the same time. So let's just see how it's work. So right here it will give us expo certain things, certain option. We can just do web. Let's see how it works. So basically it will host us like this, and see right here it gives us like how much time, like it's saying it's slow, but we just exit out and just open, and right here so right here I decide to use this one. So right here it give us error. That was from the previous things that I was working on. Let me just exit out and just just click right here, or you can write it right here as well. Right here it said press A, press W, reload, which you can do whatever you want, depend on which one you're going to use. So it will show up the code. Let me just show you the code right here. So this is the code. So right now we're going to choose some picture from internet and see which one we want to use it. So we're going to create a new window. Let's just see K-pop. So some images we can use right here, but since we can do is do free images. Let's see right here. Which one I like to use? This one. I like sometimes to use different things. So right here we just write K-pop. Right here it gives us like different option. Like some people have created this, which is free. Some of them. Yeah, some of them are free. Some of them aren't free. So we just need to look around and see which one are free. So there isn't a lot, but we can just go other other website to check. So right here it gives us different what type of size that I want it to be, large, small. Let's see. Let's just say free commercial use. So we can use this one, but let's just see. Let me just go to Canvas and show you what I do. So I already have a lot of things right here. So the one that I always use is, let's see, where is phone? I cannot find it. Okay, let's just type phone right here. Phone wallpaper. So they gave us like recent use or something, certain things that if I wanted wallpaper to look like, this is an example. So either way, I'm not going to use this one. Probably I'm going to take certain things out, like this one. Let's just see. This is cute. I like this one. So I'm going to keep this one. This flower, I might keep it, but I'm not sure. Probably let's just see what we're going to do. Work with it. First thing we write Kpop, and right here show us like certain things. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay, but I'm going to choose the one that are free. Let's see. So it doesn't show us a lot of K-pop, but we can just look right here. Okay, right here we can go and look at right here. So right here there's a lot of K-pop. So I'm to get that is just like click right here and right there in Canvas. Right here's four more. So I choose this one. You can go on Instagram and get let me see what it's, so you need to connect with your account. So I'm not connected with my account. I'm not going to use it. But there's certain things that you can use. So I'm going to use some of this, like an example, as a GIF. So basically it's going to look like it is moving and looks like it's coming. Then a plain image. So let me check. You can take this one. So right here, we're going to put it right here. This is how you can design it. You can do how you want it to look like. Let's just see if there is BTS. Okay, right here, there's BTS. Probably I would like every single one of them to be there. So I'm going for, let's see. I'm going for this one. And also you can crop certain things if you want it to look much better. It's depend on you, how you want it to look like, how much you want to crop it out, but not crop it out for let's see. We can do this. Oh look, I want something like this. Okay, we just need to fix it. Let's see, everyone is there. So that one looks good. We can change the background or we can keep going and do something like this. No. Let's see. Okay, like this. We probably need to look for other K-pop band. Let's just do Blackpink or okay, this one looks good. So we can keep this one. I like something like this. And just take out the flower, or we can just go on top of it if we want to. Bring it forward. Probably it looks much better. Then we just even it out. Okay, we want to see how they move. Okay, this one. So the background, we need to change it. We want a color that pop the K-pop out. So let me just do something um, over here. Nope. Let's just background. How you do background? So probably we want like gold. Oh, oops, I spelled it wrong. There's no way to detach this. Okay, right here we deleted. We go into choose a color. Okay, this one looks good. As well, we can crop this one, or we just leave it there because it does look different. It does pop it out, the letter, giving us a good vibe. And then we just do this, or we just take this one out and make it plain. And instead, we want this color to be something different. Let's just see. We can choose something like red. Oh, let me just write red. Which type of red I want it to be. Not like that. Like something soft red. This one. Or we can just mess it around with which color looks good. I think this one looks good. But I just wanted to. Oh, this one. Or something red like this. Let's just see. Okay, we got the red that we wanted to look like. And then we can just increase it to look like really bright. Okay, this one looks good. BU instead of that. Let's just write a catchy name for the app to be. So I call the file Kpop instead of Kpop. Let's just name other thing. Let's just write K-pop. Let me just write fan, K-pop fan. So right here, this will look good. I like this one. Let's just even it out. Be brave. Let's say welcome because we want it to be really welcoming and everything. So this one will be we going to download it. Instead, we going to download it as GIF. Thank you for watching this video, and it meant a lot to me. Thank you for supporting me. And as well, this is how it looks like, the K-pop fan background, image background. So I will show later on the process how it going to look like the K-pop fan. So I'm going to work on it more. So hope you see the result in the other video. And thank you.